Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel with Chandan here. Today we will talk about a new feature of YouTube that is very powerful to connect with your subscribers and give them an amazing experience. YouTube Premieres is a new feature that lets you and your viewers watch and experience new video together, much like a movie or TV show premiere. Premiering your video allows you to schedule a video upload and to create buzz around the video with a shareable watch page. Premiering a video can be done on desktop, however, viewers can watch Premiere on any device like mobile, iPad and desktop as well. You will get a public URL when the watch page is created. You can share this URL before, during, and after the premiere to share the video. After a video is premiered, it remains on your channel like a normal upload. Chat replay is available for your viewers who want to experience the premiere chat after it has ended. Let's move on to the steps to make a video premiere. How you can premiere your video. So here you can see the video processing has been done. I have filled all the information over here: title, description, keyword. Here you can find the option to premiere your video. You just have to click over here and turn it into blue. You can also choose the visibility options if you want to make it public, unlisted, private or scheduled. Schedule means you can schedule the time when it will be published. Until then it will show as a premiere and will show the countdown timer. I will show it as a public, and you just have to click on premiere now and it's done. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share. If you have any doubt, please comment and ask me. I will try to answer all the comments. Thank you so much again.